Well, seeing as this is just about one of the most absurd cars money can buy, we figure might as well just do an absurd review. So, without further ado, it's Charlie and Nathan from Daily Motor. We've got Mercedes-AMG GLS 63 here, old warplanes flying over ahead of us, because of course there is. And we're just gonna hop right on into it. I mean, just look at these wheels. These are 23-inch monoblock AMG wheels. The only thing that's kind of cool is feel how smooth they are.
Oh, yeah.
And now see how much brake dust you just got all over your hand. Oh, it is kind of a, you know, like a blessing and a curse to having the black wheels. Did you get your hands clean?
Yep.
Good, because we wouldn't want getting brake dust all over this beautiful, supple AMG interior. So what do you think of the looks?
I mean, it looks like the price tag, that's for sure.
Yeah, I think you put that a good way. I mean, even just look at this badge. It's huge. It's bigger than my entire, just about my entire hand span.
You almost got two badges going. I've never seen that on Mercedes before.
A double
actually.
badge?
Yeah, you got the chrome here and the chrome there.
And just in case that's not enough, you got this one.
Let's count AMG badges. One.
Are they in the lights at all? Two, 3, 4, 5 for all the wheels.
Yeah. 6. You know, I was actually expecting more on the exterior.
7, 8.
9 on the screen. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, counting the floor mats and the door sills.
Does that include in the front door mats and floor sills too? Okay.
Oh wait, no, 2 more for the front floor mats.
Well, there's 2 more for the front door sills too, right?
But yeah, I counted those.
Oh, okay.
All right.
So what are we at? 17? 18?
18, yeah, it'd have to be 18.
Surprisingly none back here.
Yeah, I guess they really don't care about the backseat occupants knowing that's an AMG. They'll just have to know from the power.
Right.
Look how nice it is back here, though.
It is. I mean, this carpet is nice. You got a little... check out... Isn't this one of the weirdest compact spares you've ever seen? You can inflate it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
Yeah, so you got your little inflation kit.
Huh.
Allows them to save a little space in there.
Also, I was thinking about that. Yep. 18... 19, 20, 21, 22.
22 AMG badges, eh? No, it does look the part. It looks showy. I'm not the biggest fan of this color combo. I'd probably get it in black because that's a little more menacing. And I'd get the monoblock wheels, but I'd get them in just standard like
You know
chrome.
what? Matte black and those matte black wheels would look awesome.
Murdered out. I did want to demonstrate how easy it is to fold these seats. You just go that and... Oh, the back one's already folded. So yeah, they all fold, and even the front seats way up there are moving. Then, that.
And up they go.
Pretty quick.
Now I can demonstrate, seeing if it's easier or not to get into the back row. Well, seat comes up. Let's start off with the most useless running board ever.
Yep. Why would you need that? Especially with an air suspension that drops down.
All right, now let's get in the third. I'll get in the third row. Charlie, you watch. Oh, that's easy enough. It's still raining. Still raining. Still raining. I'm not as big as Doug DeMuro, but let's see how this works out. Headrest is down.
Now this is a bit of a pain, and I don't know how a kid would be able to do that.
That's a bit misleading, don't you?
You have to push it all the way up.
That's a lot of force.
Right?
All right, so now I can actually put this back with the button here. Oh.
I'll set this. Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah, it's the door. That's how you... I always forget Mercedes have door seat controls.
So, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, so now, you can't see me back here, but my legs are kind of being crunched up. This is not comfortable, I have to say. I do have USB Type-C charging back here, a cup holder.
You have 2 ports on each side, which is kind of interesting.
You got air vents, these very flamboyant LED lights.
And you do have Alcantara in the seat.
Now you can watch me get out.
Ooh la la.
There we go. Now we just...
Nope, you gotta hold it.
That's very elegant. Wow.
I will say this GLS is much simpler in the rear than the one we reviewed last time.
Yeah, where's the tablet?
Well,
where's the curtains?
I think they kept it out in order to keep the price tag down. Simple enough though, right? Comfortable. There's plenty of room.
Definitely not as refined as the last one though.
No, but that's because this one's supposed to be enjoyed from behind the wheel. So shall we?
Yes. Should we take a look under the hood first?
Sure.
Oh wow, look at that.
That's an engine. I am surprised by the amount of carbon fiber right here.
Look at this.
If you get in a front end collision, you are going to have a pricey repair bill.
You know, the thing I really don't like about German, European cars in general is I can't see the engine.
Well, to be fair, I mean, the Lexuses do that too.
Well, higher end Japanese, pretty much all luxury brands.
Right. It is pretty.
How do you check the oil?
It's probably electric dipstick.
Electric dipstick. How do you check the coolant?
Your dealer does it.
Your dealer does it? So when I'm the third owner, which...
Mercedes doesn't care about the third owner.
I'm very... Obviously.
You want to stand in back while I start it and get a little start up and rev clip?
There we go. Get those crackles in there.
I do have to say, I really like this interior.
How could you not?
I know, it's functional. And rant time. Every other automaker that does ambient lighting needs to take a lesson from Mercedes here. Because even the Lincoln Aviator that we were just in had like 7 different LED ambient light settings that you could choose from. And there's just a few lights in the center console and maybe some down the footwell. And this even applied to that A35 that we had. It's so bright that you can see it here in the middle of the day. And it's everywhere. I mean, it's this whole big thing, and it looks sweet. It's even in these handles and all this stuff. Not only that, look, you can literally choose from every single color in the rainbow. Why can't you do that in BMW or Lincoln or, I mean...
I even remember that 2010 Ford Focus had more colors than most modern cars.
I know, yeah. It's like, it's not a hard thing to just put cool LEDs in here. Anyway, let's motor. But it is an awesome, I mean, it's just a really, it's functional, it's comfortable, everything is good about it.
It feels special too. Every Mercedes I've been in just feels special.
Yep. And it's amazing how Mercedes, especially AMG, manages to make a car that's both incredibly fast, powerful, and capable, and raw when you want it to be, and then just super smooth and elegant when you want it to be. It's pretty impressive.
This is a car, the type of car I'm gonna buy someday, or lease. I would never buy it. I'd lease it once, just to have the experience. This seems like something you just have to have once in your life. Mm-hmm. Not every time in your life, but just once in your life.
I really like this big infotainment display as well as the big center gauge cluster. I think they both look good, work well. It's a nice touchscreen, although you don't have to use it. You can also use this touchpad or the little touch knobs on the steering wheel. It's the new Mercedes MBUX system. Hey, Mercedes, I wasn't talking to you.
What can I do for you?
Wasn't talking to you.
Can you please go away?
Okay.
That's nice.
I'm just gonna give kind of a rundown of the materials. So right here we got soft leather, glossy leather, carbon fiber gloss, glossy plastic, nice feeling silvery materials, soft leather, metal speaker grade up here, soft leather. You got some more like silvery bits around here. Everything feels really nice. Even like up here in the steering wheel, you got soft leather. The steering wheel, you got your Alcantara up here, Alcantara on the ceiling. And the only bit of plastic that's kind of cheap is up here. Metal speaker grills too, which is something. The door handles, they're metal. Those are metal. The switches are all metal. This thing right here, I love it when cars do this. You know, I mean, you've got the nice leather pad with the silver plastic. Oh, you even got cooled cup holders, or heated. Which are they?
It's probably cool.
I mean, I could be cooling my drink right. Let's test this. So, oh, yep, cooling one. Cooling. No, I want to cool this side too. Oh, now it's heating. Heating. Let's talk about the AC works really well. You got your cooling seats over here. Heated seats, obviously, too.
Massaging, too.
Yeah, massaging seats. Let's check out the glove box. You got your fragrance, obviously.
Fragrance smells really good.
Yeah,
too.
fragrance does smell good.
Yep, you can remove it and place it with different ones from Mercedes.
Now these handles, like one thing I was noticing off camera, you can smack everything and nothing jiggles. Like these things, these don't budge at all. You can shake this as much as you want. It's not gonna budge. What is going on?
Car wasn't happy that I was about to fly into this Malibu here. Up here at highway speeds, you have to have your traction control on to activate cruise control, but you actually have quite a good semi-autonomous driving mode here in the GLS, as we will demonstrate as we come around this corner. Once these lines start, I will let go of the wheel, and the GLS drives us right through. And you actually don't have to touch it very often either, which is nice. Now this is interesting though, it'll change the speed limit for you. So you just saw right there, we went by a 55-mile-an-hour sign and the car is slowing down to 55 miles per hour. But it's kind of annoying because there are a lot of times when you're on the highway and you pass a construction sign that says 60 and you're going 75 and you don't want to go 60 and all of a sudden the car starts slowing down and you're like...
But Charlie, don't you always obey the speed limit?
Oh, you're right. That's a good point. We always obey the speed limits here at Daily Motor.
Yes.
It's very important to drive safely and carefully and obey the law. This car does pass the 2 Daily Motor Petty Roosevelt tests though. 1, you can extend these, and 2, there's a handle up here. So that's nice. We've been goofing around here, but this is a really incredible car. I mean, I don't think it takes a lot to tell you that when you throw 603 German horsepower into a huge car like this. I mean, the GLS, even in its base form, is a great car. Putting an AMG engine in it only makes it better. Hopefully you can still hear us over the giant fans that are gonna have to run for the next half hour to cool this thing down. Any last words?
A lot of money.
Yep.
Amazing car.
Yep.
Rather have a Durango SRT8.
Or the new Hellcat one.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this silliness, check out some of our more serious reviews on the last GLS 580, as well as the highway fuel economy test and the Burmester audio system tests of these cars. Thanks to Nathan for helping us out here. I'm Charlie from Daily Motor, and as always, drive on.